Hi guys, welcome back. So today I thought it would be fun if I shared with you my top 5 most used bags of 2023. I try to do a video like this once a year to showcase the bags that I've worn lately. I have a pretty large collection, so I do change up the bags pretty often, but there have been a couple of bags that I've been reaching for quite a lot this year. I tried to narrow it down to 5, but we will see how we go. If you're new here, hi, welcome. My name is Gina. I'm a doctor by day, but I do make YouTube videos in my spare time. I'd love for you to subscribe and join my little YouTube family. And if you haven't checked out my Instagram, I will post it here. That's where I showcase how I wear and style these bags. So if that is something you're interested in, please go and give me a follow on there. Got all the bags here with me, and there's definitely still a little bit of a neutral color theme. I haven't actually watched last year's video to see if any of them are repeats, so that will be interesting to watch. But I think a few of these I did unbox in my February unboxing frenzy, which I did last year. Speaking of, can you believe it's been a year since I did that series? If you haven't seen it, that's where I unboxed a bag video every single day in the month of February. That was pretty hectic. I will put it in the info bar below. But yeah, some of these bags I did reveal in that video, and then some of them I don't think I did like a dedicated reveal video. So here we go. I guess I'll start off with the older bags that I have in my collection. This year, I've really been using the Dior Saddle Bag, and this is in the navy vintage Troder print. I purchased this quite some time ago, back when Dior was first releasing their Dior saddle bags, and I got it for an absolute steal. And I even thought about selling it, but I'm so glad I didn't, because I love having this in my collection. I love the freshness of the silver, because silver has been really popular and really trendy in the last couple of seasons. I have been able to get a lot of wear out of this, but I also just really like the color of this and just how easy and carefree. I took this to the Philippines, and yeah, I love wearing this one. So this is the Dior vintage saddle. On that same note, I don't think I revealed this in my February unboxing series. I got this after, but I also have it in the white leather with the silver hardware. I really love this color combo. It's so fresh. I love the white with the silver. This has been a bag I've been gravitating towards as well this year. I have loved the Dior saddle, so much so that I've actually added another one, which I showed you guys in my handbag collection video. If you haven't seen that, I will put that in the info bar below as well. During Christmas, I did 12 days of handbag collection, so do check it out if you haven't already. But I did showcase this in my Dior collection video, and yeah, these two have been my most worn Dior bags lately. And it's funny because they both actually have the silver hardware, which I have been wearing a little bit more lately. I'm definitely more of a girl, but it's kind of fun to have like a little silver moment here and there. Another favorite is this one. This is definitely a bag I've been using a lot lately. I kind of want to do like a whole review video of this because it's just incredible. So this is the multi-pochette accessoire, and everyone knows about the canvas version, but I think this leather version is just so beautiful. I love the bicolor Louis Vuitton. I love like how it comes with this chain hardware instead of the canvas strap, and I love that it comes with this leather. I find that this bag is just so versatile because you could wear it all together like this. You can attach a different strap, and matter of fact, I've actually been using like a thicker Fendi strap with this sometimes to wear it crossbody. You can separate them, you can have two bags. Like, I love this one, and I've had no regrets adding this to my collection. I actually would recommend this to anyone who's looking for a really versatile black bag. If you want me to do like a dedicated review video, please let me know. Also, just wanted to put it out there, these are in no particular order because I have no idea what order it could possibly be. Last year, I was also having a major Gucci moment, and I actually have 2 Gucci bags that are in my most used this year. This is definitely one of them. This is a vintage Gucci canvas shoulder bag. I love this one. I love that it's the canvas, like the PVC canvas, so it's so durable. You can wear it during autumn when it's raining, and it's such a light canvas. You can wear it during spring. This is definitely a like all year bag. So I love this one. I was able to pick it up for an absolute steal. This is obviously vintage and pre-loved, but what I love about this compared to other Gucci bags that I've seen is that you can see, even though it's sort of got the accordion style on the sides there, when you open it, it actually has just one big compartment, which is amazing. Like, it means you can fit so much in here, and the condition of this bag is incredible. If I ever see one like this again, I will let you guys know, because yeah, this was such a rare piece that I've managed to find and add. And also I love that the strap is convertible, so you can wear it as a shoulder bag like this, which is really in style at the moment, or you can obviously extend it and wear it as a crossbody bag or a longer shoulder bag, which I do pretty often as well. This is definitely a most used bag in my collection, and one that I will never ever sell. I've love this bag so much. And then the other Gucci bag is actually this is the Gucci Abbey, and this was a late edition compared to all the other bags that I've had in my collection, but I've used this one so much, especially during spring summer. This is the perfect spring summery bag. The white trim on this makes it just so much more light and fun and fresh, and this is quite affordable on the pre-loved market still. I love this because of the size. It's sort of like a really small shoulder bag, but it still can fit enough. It can fit like a phone, small camera. It can actually even fit like a compact umbrella, which is pretty cool. But yeah, I love this. It's just a really nice colorway. It will go with anything and everything, and it's still really affordable on the pre-loved market. So if you haven't seen these and you're interested in like a small shoulder bag that's really versatile, that's fuss free, I recommend this one. I love it with the white trim. Personally, I think the white trim makes it a little bit more fun and fresh, but it actually comes in brown trim, it comes in blue, it comes in all black if you wanted like an all leather version. So many different options. But yeah, I love this one. Cannot recommend this one enough as well. Finally, of course, but not the least, this is the Louis Vuitton Denim Baggy PM. I love this bag. You guys know that Louis Vuitton re-released the denim collection, and I'm so happy they did that, but I'm obviously a massive fan of the original style of the original collection. I actually have quite a little collection of myself of those denim pieces, and this is still one of my favorite bags from that collection. I told you guys when I first revealed this on my channel that I wanted to get it in the green, and I so wish I did that, because now the green is an extortionate amount of money. It's gone up so much since Louis Vuitton released this collection. This is the thing, sometimes if you want something you need to just get it, because the next time if you wait too long it actually just goes up way too much in price. So the green now, I've been seeing it for around $2,000 to $3,000, which is insane because they're actually not in that great condition. That's because there wasn't a lot of the green denim that came out, so it's just harder to find in good condition, and when you find one in good condition, they're charging an extortionate amount of money. Look how slouchy it is. It's so slouchy, which is just so fun for every day. And also it just fits so much. Like, you really can fit a ton of stuff in here. This is definitely my most spacious bag compared to all the others. So if I wanted to bring quite a bit with me, I could fit like a spare shirt, I could fit shoes in here. And I love that you can change the lengths of the strap as well. This is the longest on the shoulder, but you can definitely shorten it. It also comes with this longer crossbody strap that you can attach as well. Now this is quite long on me, so I don't tend to use this one too much. If I did, I kind of want to get a few more holes so that I can actually wear it as a crossbody, but it allows you to wear it as a sling bag as well. So this is still my favorite bag out of the denim collection, and I'm trying to be very good at not wearing this one too much, otherwise it will wear out a lot faster. And with these denim pieces you just have to be careful, because at the end of the day it's denim, so it will actually scuff and it will fray. It's not like leather, so you just have to be careful, and it's a bit harder to fix as well. So Anyways, that is the Louis Vuitton baggy PM. I think that's everything. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I shared 6 bags. Oh no. I was only supposed to do 5. Anyways, well, those are my top 6 most used bags of 2023. I've got a little like navy neutral colorway going on at the moment. But that is it, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already. If you want to see how I wear and style these bags, you can check it out in my Instagram. That is where I post very regularly, day to day. So if you want to see what I'm up to, that is also where you'll find me. Let me know what video you would like to see next from me. If you want me to do any formal handbag reviews on any of these. If you've done a similar video to this, I would love to see it. Please let me know in the comments section below. And yeah, that's it. I hope you guys are having a wonderful week or weekend, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.